So next up, going to the Digusti Falls, which is not too far from the Ermita. So, but I will walk, and then I asked the entrance. They said I can cut through these stairs, going down instead of going down, and going back to the main road. I think this will take me to the main road, going to the Digusti Falls, and you will see the bay there. This is in Ermita Hill. It's a wonderful experience. Okay. Approaching the locals here, they're really hospitable. So the people from Baler, here there's another stairs. I can hear the tricycle. So that's the main road. Alright, initial cut, instead of going all around again back to this main road, it's good to as a local. So they directed me to these stairs, which is not too bad. As a matter of fact, it is pretty good. It's concrete, there's no, it's not muddy, and it's just made for it. As a matter of fact, so there isn't access to the hill going through these stairs. And this time I'm heading off to the Digusti Falls, and then I am back to the main road, and it should be along the way there. So let me activate my Google Map. Finally, after a long walk from the Ermita Hill, so Google Maps says it's only 30 minutes, but it took an hour. So there we go. Here is the Digusti Falls here in Baler. This is in the northern part, and but it's a pretty neat walk though. So that's the falls. It's a small one, and this is in passed by Baler town. And this is in the, oh, there you go, there's a buko. Maybe I'm gonna get a buko juice. Alright, so this is the Digusti Falls. Very small, so that's the falls, and facing is the ocean. So it took me about, as a matter of fact, sorry, I have a low battery. From the hotel, it's about an hour and a half, and then going to Ermita, and then for Ermita all the way, and then Google Maps says it's only about 30 minutes, but it took about an hour. Anyway, here it is the Digusti Falls. Finally reached the Digusti Falls. It was a long walk, but it's great workout. This is to make the long story short, came from the town, walk from the town, from the place where I'm staying in Baler town, Baler, the main town. Um, it's about an hour and a half to the Ermita Hill. Wonderful. And then the Google Maps says it's about 30 minutes walk from Ermita Hill all the way, and by the rock formation. Yes, I saw the rock formation, but the Digusti Falls is way all over to this point. So yeah, anyway, so here it is. It's a small one, and it's one of the attractions here in Baler. And it's an amazing walk. Not raining. It's sunny, but not too hot, to the point that you will actually hyperventilate. So, but I'm sweating. It's a great walk, and in total, it's about 2.5 hours walk. Well, I stayed in Ermita Hill. It's a beautiful place to see the bay, and it's right up the mountain. You get 100 and almost 360 view of the ocean, and then about Google Maps says, as I said, it's about 30 minutes, but it took me an hour. Just to see this falls, the Digusti Falls. The Google Maps did not give me the right time duration, but no way to complain. But it's all is good. I'm right here in Baler, the city, the capital city of the province of Aurora. And it's been fascinating and wonderful stay. It's no less pollution as compared to Manila, of course, and it's really provincial feeling, right? So so look at this. So here's the fresh water, and along the way, so there are several rivers, pretty cool streams. People washing their clothes. There's one river that's all washing their clothes and planning to take a bath, right? And then right in front there are small store. I think that she sells fresh coconut juice. I think I'm gonna get into that eventually. Yes, I will still be here in Baler in the next couple of days. I've been here for, actually this is my third day, and it's been fascinating. I've been here in the Philippines since 28, and today is the 9th, and I'm flying out on the 11th from the Clark Airport, going to Ethiopia. I have a connection in Dubai, and then from Ethiopia I'll be flying to Djibouti. So originally I came from Niue, of course, San Francisco, Niue, and then to the Philippines, from the South Pacific to the Southeast Asia, and then to the Horn of Africa. And I still have a stretch here in this holiday, and it's been fascinating journey. Here is the Digusti Falls. This is in Baler, in Aurora. The game plan tomorrow, I plan to go to Dipakulaw, and then maybe up to Dinadiawan, which is really up north. Dipakulaw is about 30 minutes tricycle, but the Dinadiawan is about 2 hour bus ride. Okay, bye for now. Once again, traveling is not arriving to a new destination. It is looking at the board in a different perspective. Keep a smile, and the world will smile at you. Cheers. Be safe. Bye, and God bless. This is from the Digusti Falls here in Baler. Bye. Very top next to the falls. So as a matter of fact, there is an access. You can. It's right by the main road, so it's easy access along the way. But you have to get get through those rocks, and I'm pretty sure so this could be rough during the heavy rainy season. And here we can actually take a shower from the Digusti Falls. Here is in Baler, the Digusti Falls. Cheers. Buko juice, they use chopping it in. So, binubuksan yung fresh na buko near na the Digusti Falls. Yep. So, fresh yan, diba? Of course, diba? Husay nung magtaga, ingat. So, you gotta chop, and then we're gonna get a fresh juice. This is from, this is not a book. This is
Hello.
Wala ka juice?
I'm right here in the store. I need something to drink. I get a Mountain Dew. That's good. There's a dog. Alright, I'm really sweating, but it's a good day. Yeah, so after my my journey, long walk to the Ermita Hill, as well as to the Digusti Falls, I stopped by the public market and I got a treat. I got my ananas sativa, which is the atis. Look at that. And I got fresh mango, the Philippine mango. Oh, it's the best. I love it. Oh, it smells mango. I bought two. Yep, I bought two Philippine mangoes, the best. And I want to have some okra. Yes, here we go. I'm gonna boil this in water. I love this one. And actually, I still have bananas from yesterday. I got the this small bananas. They're really sweet. Okay, so the day was excellent, and it was a great walk. As a matter of fact, I had about 1,000+ calories, which is pretty amazing. Yeah, so early in the morning, so after my brekkie, went to the Ermita Hill. It took about an hour and a half walk, and then another hour walk to the Digusti Falls. And I decided not to take any form of transportation, just to get out and move on. Okay, journey by foot. Anyway, so here you go. And the day was fabulous. So this is my day 2, actually day 3 in Aurora, Baler. All right, I get all sweaty. Sweat for good. Once again, traveling is not arriving to a new destination. It is looking at the world in a different perspective. I'm gonna enjoy my Philippine mango and the atis and banana, and I want this okra. Bye. Cheers.